Have you ever get lost or just want a quick sense of direction without downloading another app? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a built-in compass hidden right in your edge panel. Here's how to find it and use it. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Display. Tap Display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge Panel. Tap Panels. Swipe through the panels and make sure to select Tools Panels. Close the setting. Once the Tools panel is active, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. Swipe through your Edge panel until you see Tools panels. By default, it shows compass that you can use to instantly see your current direction along with the degrees and coordinate data. You can also calibrate it if needed by tapping Calibrate button and then tilt and rotate your phone back and forth. Given to the function, this built-in compass is a quick offline way to get your bearing whether you are hiking, traveling, or just navigating around town. No need to open maps or use data, just a swipe away. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.